how to fix touchpad on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix touchpad on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just right click on your Windows and go with the device manager option. Once you're under the device manager, now you just need to simply go with mice and other pointing devices, and here you will have your two drivers, right? You just need to simply right click on it and then go with update driver, go with search automatically for drivers, and it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. Now you just need to simply go with the second one and also update the drivers. Once you update it, now here you will have human interface devices, right? You just need to simply enlarge it. And here you will have HID compliant touchpad. You just need to simply click on it. Right click on it, go with update driver and go with search automatically for drivers. But if it says it's already installed, then you can also go with the next option, which is browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers and choose the driver, for example the touchpad, and then go with next, and it will install the driver. Once you've installed, you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.